Tesla Motors, one of Elon Musk's most successful companies nowadays, has scored high technological achievements in the production of solar panels, electric cars, and more. With the market cap of around $380 billion, Tesla is remarkably growing, and the massive demand for its electric motors among the public is rising day by day. Since the release of the first 100 electric car model from Tesla Motors, the company has not failed to innovate since then, with the ability to boost a new dynamic in the automobile. Tesla presented in November 2019 its brand new car, the Tesla Cybertruck. It is an actual selection for an unbeatable future that you will want to take out for a quad or sand dune race. Welcome to Musk Central. Today we will answer all your questions that come to your mind about Tesla Cybertruck, whether its cost, design specs, or many unexpected features. We have it all covered, so stay tuned. A Model 3 ramp-up that resulted in a quarterly profit was a sign that Tesla's automobile business finally may be financially stable. If so, it is a good time for Tesla to turn its attention to the energy business, encompassing solar and energy storage, that has for long taken a backseat to getting the electric vehicle assembly line in order. Elon Musk has been broadcasting this message since Tesla reported a surprise profit in the third quarter. On the call with Wall Street analysts after the earnings in November, the Tesla CEO said, "For almost 2 years we had to divert a tremendous amount of resources. Now Musk claims Tesla is poised for the really crazy growth for as far into the future as I can imagine. It would be difficult to overstate the degree to which Tesla Energy is going to be a major part of Tesla's activity in the future," he said. Never one to shy away from bold claims or ambitions, Musk said Tesla Energy could grow to roughly the same size as Tesla's automotive business, and solar would grow, on a percentage basis, the fastest of any, with storage second. "I think both over time will grow faster than automotive," Musk said. "They're starting from a smaller base." He added, "I think, especially, if you look at, year-over-year growth, it will be absolutely incredible, over the course of, say, a year, gigantic increase." In a recent internal email to Tesla employees, Musk outlined 2 critical year-end priorities: delivering all cars to their customers and boosting the rate of solar deployments by a significant degree. Skeptics point to a variety of other reasons why Musk may be in solar and energy business salesman mode, beyond the Model 3 inflection point. The solar business has in recent years been associated with more negative than positive news. Tesla faces a lawsuit from shareholders over its controversial 2016 purchase of SolarCity. The solar roof that Musk has been touting for years is off to a slow start. Its solar panel plant in Buffalo, New York, has been dogged by issues, and its solar business has faced unfavorable customer service reviews. Tesla did not respond to multiple requests for comment. Industry experts and Tesla watchers are applying a heavy discount to Musk's energy claims, saying the Tesla chief is prone to hyperbole and exaggeration. "I take all Elon claims with a grain, or metric ton, of salt," said Morningstar equity analyst David Whiston. "Energy probably stays a small piece of Tesla for a long time because there's so much growth to come in auto with new vehicles and AVS autopilot. I don't doubt there's a nice growth runway long-term for solar," Whiston said, but added, "Like a lot of things in investing, it's a show-me story." Analysts covering the rooftop solar sector estimate that it can grow from a low-end estimate of 10% annually to as high as 20%, based on the performance of the leading companies, such as Sunrun, SunPower, and Vivint Solar. Tesla over the past 2 years has really taken their eye off the ball there, despite a visible brand. "The solar business shrank dramatically," said JMP Securities analyst Joe Osha, who covers both Sunrun and Tesla. "Part of what maybe Musk thinks is they can come back and take market share, and it would seem to me the EV business growing in the mid-teens as well, so maybe he thinks they can grow more quickly in solar because they can take share. We'll see. They are an amazing company and they've done some amazing things, but they really mismanaged the business." KeyBank Capital Markets solar analyst Sophie Karp said one issue Tesla may run into is the difference between selling solar and selling a car, where the brand Tesla has built is more persuasive. "Solar is a product that is a push, not a pull. It is sold, not bought," Karp said. "You can't just snap your fingers and have an overnight sales channel allowing you to grow 20% to 30% growth. It is really difficult to generate explosive growth in this space." She added, "A Tesla car is like a Chanel bag. Rooftop solar is electricity, a complete commodity competing on price. Most people have zero idea whose panels are on their roof. Who cares? I'm not sure a charismatic leader can help sell that product. Maybe they can fix it, but they have not so far demonstrated that. and it requires a lot of management and attention. Sunrun has kicked their butts. Analysts say Tesla's decision to let the solar business slip makes the process of returning to a #1 position in solar more difficult. Tesla did not invest and made clear to everyone it would just run solar for cash flow, and not use as an area of growth, Karp said. I would not be super worried about them being a competitor in the space anytime soon, Karp said, referring to companies like Sunrun and Vivint. Tesla also has been dogged by reports of poor service in its solar business, an issue analysts pointed to as another challenge as it attempts to ramp up sales in solar and energy storage. You do hear horror stories of the quality of customer experience. Solar has been pretty bad for the customer, OSHA said. Karp said many customers may feel that they have a higher chance of disappointing service with Tesla because of changes made after its acquisition of SolarCity, which limited customer support. Sunrun has a stronger customer service infrastructure because solar is its main business. Tesla's 43 MW of solar installations in the third quarter of 2019 was an improvement on the 29 MW of solar in the second quarter, but it still remains considerably lower than the 93 MW in sales in Q3 2018 and nowhere near the more than 200 MW installed by its solar division, formerly SolarCity, in a single quarter at its height. Tesla said in Q3 that solar deployments rose by almost 50% over last quarter, and energy storage deployments, which include Powerwalls and Powerpacks, grew by 15% to an all-time high of 477 MWh. The company refers to a relaunch of its solar business this year, with a simplified process and goal of fast order-to-install timelines, including a less cumbersome permitting process across 350 cities. Tesla Energy supplies power to homes, businesses, and utilities by selling solar panels, solar roofing and battery storage packs called the Powerwall, Powerpack, and Megapack. In 2018, Tesla installed more than 1 GWh of storage capacity around the world. This year the company aims to double that capacity to 2 GWh. I think there is generally a lack of understanding or appreciation for the growth of Tesla Energy, Musk said on the recent earnings call. In the long term I expect Tesla Energy to be of the same or roughly the same size as Tesla's automotive sector or business. Gene Munster, founder and managing partner at Lou Ventures, said investors should view Tesla Energy more as an optionality to the auto story. Energy is currently 10% of the revenue, and most investors believe the energy business will remain 10% of revenue for the foreseeable future, he said. Even longer term, Munster argued energy would remain 20% to 25% of Tesla's overall business, considerably below Musk's 50% target. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe.